Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's video, we are going to solve this past paper, that is March 2019. Okay. So whenever we are going to talk about paper 2, basically it is going to contain two type of practicals. One will be audio and video editing, and the second will be a task from database or Excel. Okay. So first we are going to solve audio and video editing. So whenever you are going to solve any kind of past paper, all you have to do, what you have to concentrate and focus on all the instruction given by the examiner. Like he is saying that in the first part, he is saying that you will create a short video to advertise winter holidays in the town, the certain town of the Austria. Okay. Now he is saying that the aim of to advertise is traditional Austrian hospitality in a location with stunning mountain scenery. So all you have to do, what you have to be very careful while reading the instructions, so you can solve the past paper exactly as per examiner requirement. Okay. So you have to highlight the things that is asked by the exam, mentioned by the examiner. Like he is saying that aim of video is what, the to advertise traditional Austrian hospitality, and the location is stunning mountain scenery. Okay, so these two information has been mentioned by the examiner that you have to highlight. Okay, so we have highlighted both of them. Then he is saying that the original clips were filled with this video. Okay, in a certain town of Austria. The date of filming can be found in the metadata within the file in step number 1. Okay, good. Then he is saying that you have to split with the, you have been split with the following source files. Okay, these are the four files which have been given by the examiner to us. That is this one, the two are the MP3 file. One is the JPG video image, and the second one is the mountain video. So let us go to the resource folder. This is the resource folder. These are two MP3 files. Okay, this one is the image, and this is the photo that has been given by the examiner. Then he is saying that create a new video and set the image ratio to 16:9. Okay, open and examine this image. Okay, he is saying that we have to open and examine this video image. So we are going to open this image. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have opened this image, this one, and he's saying that we have to examine it. Then what, edit this image removing the lower portion so it matches the image ratio of the video. Okay, what is the ratio? This is the 16:19, is not distorted and meet the brief above. Okay, so we have to remove the low portion of the video, so it is going to do what, the ratio should be 16:9. Okay, then he is saying that set this image as a background at the start of your video and display it for 4 seconds. Okay, good. So we have to do what, this one. First thing, we have opened this one. All we have to set the ratio, we have to remove the lower part, and we have to set its ratio like 16:9. So we are going to go for this option. So the ratio should be 16:9. Okay, and he is saying that we have to remove the lower part. So for that purpose, we are going to drag it there. The ratio is set 16:9. Now you can see that. Okay, now we have to remove the lower part, so we have dragged it there. Then we are going to save its a copy. Okay, like this one. Okay, you have to change the name of this. So we are going to save this image in the working area where we are, where we have the source files. Okay, there we have the resource files. So I'm going to change like cropped image. Okay, so there I have saved the copy of the image. So it is a saving a copy. Okay, okay, this one is done. You can see that we have set the ratio of the image as well as we have removed the low portion of it. Okay, this one is done. Okay, so then he's saying that this thing is done, this portion, this one is done. Okay, okay, so this one is done, this one is done. Then he's saying that set the image as a background at the start of your video and display it for 4 seconds. For that purpose we are going to, for video editing we are going to use the movie maker. Okay, so this is the movie maker. So in movie maker, first we are going to add our background image, this one, add the video and the photos. We will go to our target folder where we have saved that image, the cropped image. There it is, this one. So we are going to open it. This one is opened. Then he's saying that all we have to do, what we have placed it as a background image at the start of a video, then display it for 18 seconds. So we are going to change the duration of this video, of this image. So go to edit. Now there he has shown us 77 seconds for this video. We are going to change the duration and make it 18. Okay, so now it is going to play for 18 seconds. You can see that it is saying that crop image and then zoom and pin. It is going to, the duration is 18 seconds. Okay, so this part is done. Okay, this part is done. Then he's saying that add the text looking for a winter holiday. Okay, this one, the text. Then what, to the title in the yellow font serif, look like this one. Okay, this one. Or then he's saying that add a effect to place this text, display this title for the 7 seconds. Okay, so we have to set the text on this image. For that purpose we are going to go for the caption. We are going to place a caption here, and this one is the caption. Okay, the color should be yellow. Okay, it is bold one, and the serif should be Times New Romans. Times New Romans, this one. We are going to increase the, okay, this one. So let's see, holiday for a winter. Okay, let's say no, this one is good. So for a winter, looking for a winter holiday, so this one is placed. Okay, looking for a, okay, so I guess okay, like basically he's saying that we have to do what, we have to go for like a serif font and for a winter holiday. So whenever we are going to talk about serif, basically we are going to talk about Times New Romans. So Times New Roman is a serif font. So this one is done. Okay, this one is done. Okay, so it should display for 7 seconds. For that purpose we are going to do what, we are going to make the duration of this text whenever we are going to talk about the duration of the video, we are going to go for 18:1. But whenever we are going to talk about text, duration of text, we are going to go for like 7 seconds. Okay, this one is done. So now if we are going to play this one, it is going to go for like 7 seconds. Okay, so it will disappear after the 7 seconds. Then he is saying that I have to do what? I have to make appropriate effect to place this text. So I'm going to go for like implement any text effect, any appropriate. Okay, this one be good. So you can see that text is implemented. Okay, for it is displaying us for the 7 second. Then he's saying that this thing is done. Okay, this task is done. Okay, then what? Leave the background on the display for further 2 seconds. Okay, we have to then create a caption to match the brief display for the second. Ensure the caption text is easy to read and identify the purpose of the video and the location of the video. Add a different appropriate effect to place the caption. Okay, then leave the background on the display for further 2 seconds. Okay, this one is good. First we have to do what? We have to leave the background for 2 seconds. Then we have to do what? Then we have to create a caption which is going to display for 7 seconds, and we have to mention the purpose of the video and the location of the video. Okay, and it is going to start with the appropriate and different effects. Okay, so I'm going to do what? I'm going to leave the background for 2 seconds, so it should start like 9. It should start from 9 seconds. Okay, so there I'm going to place the caption, and the caption should be purpose of the video and the location. So he has mentioned this is the purpose of the video: traditional Austrian hospitality. There we go, this one. So let us copy this text. Copy, and this is the purpose of the video. Then the location of the video is stunning mountain scenery. Copy it. Okay, this one is done. Okay, both have done. Okay, this is the purpose of the video. Okay, let us make it bold. Then let's say we are going to go for like this one is done. This one is done. Let's say we are going to change the color of it. It should be like this one will be good enough. Okay, so it is visible, you can see that. So now this one is good. We have to leave the video for 2 seconds, so I'm going to start it from exact 9 seconds, and it is going to display for like 7 seconds. So I'm going to make the text duration will be 7 seconds. Okay, so it is starting from 9, 7 plus 2 9. Then it is going to, the duration will be like for 7 seconds. I'm going to go for like, I have placed appropriate and different effect for it. So when I'm going to play the video, you can see that first it is appearing, then it paused for like 2 seconds, then this text has been appeared. It will display for 7 seconds, Okay, now this one is like, he's saying that after that he has mentioned leave the background for display for the 2 seconds. So you can see that from 16 to 18 there is no anything, everything is not present there. So this task is done, this step number 3 is done. Okay, we have completed this one, the step. So we are going to highlight as a green. Okay, then he's saying that open and examine the file contains mp4. Okay, then he's saying that remove the first 6 seconds from the clip, trim the clip so only 10 second remains. Okay, this one is good. Remove the soundtrack from the clip and place the clip at the end of the video. Okay, so first we are going to do what we are going to, this one is a video. So we are going to open and examine it first. Okay, so this is a video. So he is basically saying that we have to remove the first 6 seconds. Then we are going to go for like we have to only collect the 10 seconds and then we have to trim the video. So this is a video, this is working. So then we are going to do what, in this we are going to add the video there. This is a mountain, this is the video. Okay, this one is done. So first he is saying that we have to remove the first 10 seconds of the clip, then we have to trim the video that the only 10 second remains, and remove the soundtrack from the clip and place the clip at the end of the video. So we are going to trim the video, go to edit, then going to go for the trim tool. Okay, this one. So he's saying that we have to remove the first 6 seconds, so we are going to start the video from the 6 seconds. Okay, so first 6 seconds has been removed. Then we have to go for like only 10 seconds of the video should remain there. So 6 plus 10 will be 16. So we have only 10 seconds for it. Okay, so if we are going to save the trim, now you can see that we have removed the first 6 seconds, and then what, as well as we have only crop the video such as we are having only 10 seconds of it. Okay, so all this one is done. Now he is saying that we have to remove the soundtrack. So this one, for that removing the soundtrack, we will go to the this option, video volume, and make it 0. Okay, this one is done. So step number 4 is done. Okay, so we are going to make it green as we have completed this one. Okay, then he's saying that take a snapshot of the last frame of the video to create a background image for the credits. Good. Place this at the end of the video. At the end of the video and display it for the 7 seconds. Okay, so this one is required. So we are going to go for last frame. This one is the last frame. So this is the last frame. We have to take the screen snapshot of it. For that purpose we are going to go for the home to tab and we are going to click for the snapshot. So for the snapshot we are going to save this in our working area. So working area is like, there is a working area, so there we are going to save our snapshot. Okay, So snapshot of the last frame, this one is done. Save it. So it has automatically placed that snapshot at the end of the video. So this thing is done and it should display for 7 seconds. So we will go to edit option. The duration is 7 seconds. Okay, if it won't be the 7 seconds, you have to just change the duration in that case. This thing is done. Then he is saying that add appropriate credits, match the brief, include your name, center number and the candidate number for that. Okay, so I have to do what? I have to create appropriate credits. Okay, I have to add the credits on that last frame. Okay, to match the brief, include like this one. Okay, so this one is there. I have to place appropriate credits there. For that purpose, I'm going to go for this one, credits. I'm going to go for credits. So I'm going to place this X there. There will go. It will go there like this one. So it is going to start like from 20 exact at 28 seconds, and then it is going to play for like 7 seconds. Okay, so the credits are like this one. I have to place my name there. This is my name. Then center number is PK 9. Oh boy, PK 964. Then my candidate number is 0099. Okay, this one is done. If I'm going to play this one, you can see that it is showing me credits. Okay, so this is the examiner requirement. Our this task is done. We have added appropriate this one, and then he's saying that for the evidence we have to export the video in MP4 format with the E1 followed by the center number and the candidate number, for example this one. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. We have to export this video, save this movie, recommended this for this project. Okay, so you can see that it is MP4 video. We are going to save this video in our working place. Okay, so this is our working place. So we are going to name it as E1 slash my center number and the candidate number. Center number is PK 964. Candidate number is, so it is saying that underscore candidate number 0099. Okay, this one is done. I have saved it. So it is saving that until we will go to like step number 4. He's saying that open and examine the files, this one and this one, using a appropriate editing software. Remove the ending of the clip so that only 22 seconds remain. Then fade out this clip for the last 2 seconds. Okay, then he's saying that add the clip, this one, to the end of the first clip and fade in the clip for last 2 seconds. Remove the end of the clip, so the total end will be, you can say that 35 seconds. Okay, add the file so it has appropriate fade in and fade out. Okay, this one is. So first we are going to examine this one. Now you can see that if we are going to play this video, so this video is working as per requirement. Okay, no, oh, this one is done. You can see that everything is as per examiner requirement. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to open these two uh, files using a software editing. For that purpose we are going to use Audacity. This one, we are going to place both of them in that, like this one. I'm going to place both of them, this file, this one and this one, into the software. This one done, both of them has been placed. This is the file number 1, this is the file number 2. So first he's saying that we have to do what? To the clip number 1 we have to remove the end of the clip, so it is going to go for like 22 seconds, and then we have to fade out the clip for last 2 seconds. For that purpose I'm going to remove this clip for like from 22 seconds. This is the 22 seconds to the end, okay. So this is the end. So these are the duration in digits. Make sure that they are correct, exactly 22 seconds. And at the end of the video you can see that I'm going to remove this video from the last, this one. So I have cut the part. Now you can see that only 2 seconds is remain, 22 seconds is remains. Then he's saying that I have to do what? Fade out the clip for the last 2 seconds. So I'm going to do what? There I'm going to make it like from last 2 seconds. So it is starting from 20 seconds to 22. So I'm going to make it fade out. For that purpose I will go to effect, and this is the fade out option. This one is done. So then what he's saying that this task is done. Then he's saying that add the clip, this clip to the end of the clip and fade in over the 2 seconds. So I'm going to add this clip to with this one. For that purpose I'm going to use this time shift tools. Click this one and add this clip to there at the last of this video clip. So this one is so done. So you can see that I have to do what? I have to fade in it from 22 seconds to for the 2 seconds. First he's saying that I have to fade in the clip for the 2 seconds. So from the 22 second to 24 second I'm going to make it fade in. Okay, so from the, this is the 22 seconds. So I'm going to go for like 22 seconds, exactly 22 seconds to 24 seconds, 22 seconds to 24 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to make it fade in. So for that purpose I'm going to go to effect. This is the fade in option. This one is done. So you can see that I have fade in this from 22 to 24 as per examiner requirement. Then he's saying that remove the end of the clip, so the total length should be 35 seconds. So I'm going to remove the clip like this one, exactly from 35 seconds to end of this one. Okay, from exact 35 seconds to end of this clip I'm going to remove the useless part, like by cutting it. So you can see that now I have 35 seconds. Okay, as per examiner requirement. Then he said that add this file so it has appropriate fade in and fade out. Okay, so this one is done. Now he is saying that edit this file so that it has an appropriate fade in and fade out. For that purpose I'm going to make for like I will go there from the starting second to 2 seconds. Okay, like from 00 to 2 seconds I'm going to make it fade in. Okay, again I will go to the last 2 seconds from 35 to 34, from 35 to 33 I am going to make it fade out. This one is done. So basically whenever we are going to talk about fade in and fade out, you know that fade in and fade out are those concepts in which where it is like it is going to make your track, whenever you are going to play your track, it is going to enter your track and start your track very smoothly, and whenever you are going to end the song track, it is going to end it very smoothly. So this is how you are going to use the fade in and fade out. So that is another scenario. If you want to ask me that, you can mention that thing in the comments. Sir, explain these. I have explained all these things in my other video and audio editing, so you can go and watch that video. For that I have explained all type of video editing in that video, placed in my playlist, video sound editing of A levels. Okay, so this one is another thing. So this one is done. I have edited this thing. Now he's saying that for the evidence to save this clip mp3 format E2 followed by the center number and the candidate number. Okay, so I'm going to go for like save this movie. Oh, sorry, my bad. I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save this file as mp3, going to export as mp3. Okay, so he hasn't mentioned anything like I have to go for like any type of like quality, so I'm going to make it to 128. Then I'm going to save it like E2 underscore PK 964 then underscore 0099 my candle. I'm going to save this file. I'm going to save this file in the folder, their folder, this one, the working folder. This one is saved. Okay, then the next thing asked by the examiner is add the soundtrack to your video so they start and the finish at the same time. So this evidence 2 is done. Now the step number is saying that I have to do what, I have to place this soundtrack in the video. So there we go. I haven't closed this project, so for that purpose I will go to home, then add music. So this one I am going to select that edited sound from the certain folder. So we'll go to my like working folder. So this is the track. Now you can say that the length of the track is exactly 35 seconds and the length of the video is exactly 35 seconds. So you can see that ending and the starting of the video is same. Now that he's saying that this task is done. Okay, then he's asking that evidence number 3, export the video into WMV format with the file name E3. So again I'm going to save this video, this one, save video, recommended project. So I have to change this one, the format. First it was mp4, now it is WMV file. I'm going to make it E3 I'm going to make it E3. Okay, and the format will be EWME format. Save this thing. So it is saving it. So this evidence number 3 is done. Now what he's saying, that export or convert your video to AVI format with the name of E4 and followed by your center number, candidate number. Okay, so whenever we are going to talk about AVI files, so for that purpose you are going to use another play for that, because whenever we are going to talk about this studio, there is no any there is not any option you have. By using that you can convert your file into AVI format. So for that purpose you can use FLV player, any player like Windows Media Player or the player I'm going to use. If you are going to talk about FLV player, it is going to give you facility. You can change the type of the video according to your requirement. Okay, so let us wait for this video. Okay, this video has been saved. Okay, we will go to our target folder. So this is our E3, and you can see that it is in WMV format. Okay, as per examiner requirement. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open this thing. The player usually I use, that is this one. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to change the format of the file. We have to make it AVI format. So this option is available in any kind of player. I'm going to save a copy of it. Okay, so I'm going to make it E4. Okay, so you can see that it is saying that all files dot, so I'm going to make it dot AVI. So dot AVI mean dot represent extension of this video will be AVI. So I'm going to save it in my working folder, this one. I'm going to save this video. So it has been saved. Now you can see in the certain folder, in this folder you can see that the file format of this video is AVI. Okay, so far if we are going to talk about video editing, we have completed our video editing file. Okay, so everything is done. So part 1 of this P2 paper is done. In the next video we are going to go for like the Excel part. Until then, Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, you can comment me. You can ask that thing into the comment. Allah Hafiz.